The story of Apple's upcoming M5 MacBook Pro is one that's been building quietly in the background, hidden behind polished keynotes, tight-lipped executives, and secret prototypes buried deep within Cupertino's labs. But in 2025, the silence has started to crack. Leakers, analysts, and insiders from all corners of the tech world are piecing together a fascinating picture of what could be Apple's most strategic and powerful MacBook ever. So today, we're diving deep into every leak, every clue, and every hidden signal about the M5 MacBook Pro, its design, its performance, its release window, and what it tells us about the future of Apple's computing empire. Let's start with what's making everyone talk: the timing. Apple's upgrade cycle has been unusually fast lately. The M1 arrived in late 2020, the M2 in mid-2022, the M3 in late 2023, and the M4 just months ago. Now, whispers suggest the M5 could arrive either late 2025 or early 2026. Some analysts believe Apple is accelerating chip releases to stay ahead of Qualcomm and Intel, who are catching up fast with AI-driven laptop chips. According to sources close to Apple's supply chain, M5 prototypes have been undergoing validation testing since August 2025, which means the announcement window could be closer than expected. But why would Apple rush the M5? The answer may lie in its architecture. The M5 chip is rumored to be the first Mac processor fully optimized for AI at the system level, not just in neural engine performance, but also in how macOS interacts with machine learning tasks in real time. We're talking on-device AI assistants, smarter workflows in Final Cut and Logic, and potentially even generative media creation tools baked right into macOS. That's not just evolution. It's a quiet revolution brewing under Apple's minimalist aluminum shell. Now let's talk design. And here's where things get interesting. Don't expect the M5 MacBook Pro to reinvent the wheel visually. Apple reportedly plans to keep the same sleek aluminum chassis introduced with the M1 Pro redesign. The squared edges, the larger trackpad, the beautiful mini LED Liquid Retina XDR display. However, this might be the final generation of that design before Apple's rumored OLED and touchscreen overhaul in 2026. Several insiders have mentioned that the M5 MacBook Pro will be a refinement cycle, in meaning Apple will focus on polishing performance, battery life, and connectivity rather than flashy design changes. Think of it as the calm before the storm and saw a product that perfects the current vision before Apple flips the script next year. Speaking of performance, the M5 chip is where Apple's engineers are flexing their silicon muscles. Built on TSMC's second-generation 3nm process, the M5 promises up to 25% better performance per watt compared to the M4. But the real story isn't just raw power, it's efficiency. Apple is rumored to be testing a new power management controller that dynamically shifts energy between the CPU, GPU, and neural engine based on real-time app usage. That means video editors could see smoother playback, while coders and 3D artists experience blazing compile and render speeds, all without the fans spinning up like crazy. The M5 Max variant in particular is rumored to pack 16 performance cores, 40 GPU cores, and up to 128 GB of unified memory support, putting it dangerously close to workstation territory. In short, Apple's goal seems clear: make the M5 MacBook Pro the ultimate portable powerhouse, no compromises. But that kind of power raises a question: how do you keep it cool? Reports suggest Apple is revising its thermal design for the first time in years, with new graphite-based vapor chambers and restructured airflow paths. Some leaks even mention a dual fan system fine-tuned to remain whisper quiet, even under full load. Combined with the new silicon's efficiency, the M5 MacBook Pro could run cooler, quieter, and longer than any MacBook before it. Battery life targets reportedly exceed 22 hours of video playback on the 14-inch model and up to 25 hours on the 16-inch. Imagine editing 8K footage for an entire day on battery power. That's where Apple wants to go. Let's move to the display, because that's one area where fans are eager for change. Unfortunately, it looks like OLED isn't happening yet. According to Macworld and display supply chain consultants, OLED MacBooks have been delayed until 2026. So the M5 MacBook Pro will likely stick with mini LED, but with improved peak brightness and HDR tone mapping. Some insiders hint at a slight refresh rate bump, possibly 165 Hz ProMotion, but that's not confirmed. The bezels might be a hair thinner, but Apple seems content with the current premium aesthetic. In short, don't expect radical visual changes, but do expect the best version yet of Apple's current display tech. Connectivity, though, is where things are about to get futuristic. Rumors suggest the M5 MacBook Pro will be Apple's first laptop with Thunderbolt 5, offering transfer speeds up to 120 Gbps for high-end external GPUs, displays, and storage setups. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support are almost guaranteed, with whispers of a new N1 wireless chip designed in-house by Apple to enhance range and efficiency. Combine that with updated HDMI 2.2 ports and SD Express card support, and you've got a creator's dream machine. Now let's talk about something fans don't always see: strategy. Apple's move to M5 isn't just about performance. It's about timing, about aligning Macs, iPads, and maybe even iPhones under one AI-first architecture. Apple knows the next big computing battle isn't about speed, it's about intelligence. So while Microsoft and Google are embedding AI co-pilots into their systems, Apple's approach is to make intelligence invisible, woven seamlessly into your daily workflow. The M5 might be the first step toward that quiet transformation. Now pricing, everyone's favorite topic. Don't expect price drops. In fact, Apple might raise base prices slightly due to supply chain costs and memory upgrades. The 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro is rumored to start at $1,999, while the 16-inch M5 Pro and M5 Max models could range between $2,499 and $3,499. Apple's strategy seems to lean toward value by performance, betting that professionals and creators will pay the premium for the unmatched ecosystem stability and performance. And then there's the competition. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite laptops have been making serious noise, especially with on-device AI features and incredible battery life. Intel's Lunar Lake chips are also entering the same field with efficient AI acceleration. Apple knows it needs to stay ahead, not just in benchmarks, but in real-world workflows. That's why some rumors suggest Apple might integrate new macOS features exclusive to M5 Max. Think AI-powered text tools, image editing assistants, and real-time speech-to-text engines for creators. These aren't just gimmicks, they're subtle ecosystem hooks to keep users loyal and productive. So when will we actually see it? The timeline is still uncertain. October 2025 is possible. That's Apple's traditional window for Mac refreshes. But many leakers now point to early 2026. Why the delay? Yield issues at TSMC, some say. Others believe Apple wants to align the M5 launch with the rumored OLED iPad Pro and possibly even a redesigned MacBook Air. Apple loves synergy, and launching multiple AI-ready devices together could mark the beginning of its next era. But what makes the M5 story special isn't just the specs or leaks, it's what it represents. This chip could be Apple's foundation for the next 5 years of Mac evolution. It's not just another speed bump. It's the bridge between today's MacBooks and the AI-powered future of personal computing. If Apple nails it, the M5 MacBook Pro could become the new gold standard for mobile productivity. A laptop that's not just fast, but smart, intuitive, and aware of what you need before you even ask. So, as we edge closer to Apple's next big event, remember this: the M5 MacBook Pro isn't just about what's inside the aluminum shell. It's about what's next. The hardware is the surface. The real revolution is invisible, humming quietly beneath the keyboard, rewriting what a laptop can be. Whether it launches in late 2025 or slips into 2026, one thing's for sure: Apple's M5 MacBook Pro will define the next chapter of computing, not through flashy redesigns, but through the kind of deep, seamless intelligence that changes everything without you even noticing. So stay tuned, because the MacBook revolution is far from over. It's only just beginning.